start sanding it down. I started doing the body work yesterday, but I come across these mirrors. They got these mismatched mirrors that was on there. This one, so I decided to go take some off the other Elcamino that I got, parts car. So I'm getting ready to mount these ones on there. See how they had that one sitting on top? I gotta drill some holes on the side to mount these right here. This side over here, it had this mirror that was mounted on the side right there, like so. So they had mismatched mirrors on here. So I went and got some that match, and this goes in there, and then I'll have to drill a hole in the door panel, so that little switch right there, so I'll be able to move the mirror around, but this one will mount right on there. See, that's the proper one that's supposed to be on there. Yeah, people just do anything. Look at mismatch. Anyhow, gotta pull the old stud gun out so I can pull these dents out. A little bit of work today. I already got the alternator put on. Now I'm gonna get back to this body work. Yep, just like that. Anyhow, everybody have a good day.